Hello friends! Today I am so super excited to introduce you to something that's been in the works for a while, the brand new Title Builder Volume 6 collection, as well as the Magical Memories Volume 2 collection products. Let's take a look at everything that's included in this exciting release. The first product we're going to check out is my baby, the Title Builder Volume 6 stamp. Title Builder Volume 6 collection is called Simply Magic, and I hope you guys think the stamp is as magical as I do. This stamp has so many different words and phrases for you to build the perfect magical title for your theme park trip. And you know, any kind of magical moment that you could want to record. I love the big magic word in the middle. That's like the biggest one. It's really beautiful. You can color that in. You have really fun words like spotting, so you can do character spotting. Just here for the treats, or mouse. Park, rides, castle, day. You have a mix of our classic handwritten font, you have that sans serif, and you have the typewriter font too. There's also little sparkles in here that you can embellish your title with. This is such a great stamp, you guys, and as always, we have given you a list of title possibilities with this stamp as well. So if you're looking for the perfect title for your magical layout pocket page, traveler's notebook insert, we've got you covered so you don't have to come up with it on your own. Next up, we have a couple of metal dies, which I'm really excited about. This is the Simply Magic metal die, and this coordinates with the stamp. So you can cut out magic, castle, place, so you could do happiest place and pop that up. Rides, there's lots of different words. The ampersand, let's see, prince and princess, favorite is one of them. So these will help you pop up these words to give them more emphasis in your titles. We also have the Simply Magic Big Words metal die. So if you want to put a big word on your title to really make a bold statement, this is the metal die for you. You have favorite, happiest, magic, and oh boy. So I love that. You'll also notice that these have the outline for the words too, to really make them stand out more from your page background. Okay, we have two other additional products that are not stamps or dies. We have the vellum die cut words. You have words like fantasy, believe, treats, castle is in that black outline, and oh boy, which I'm super excited about, and my oh boy got smushed here. Oh boy. Then we have these bold words, dreaming, characters, moments, and adventure. But we also have silver foil, which I'm really excited about. We have silver foil solid, so favorite ride, in the park, magical day. Love this one. Wish granted. How great is that? Best trip ever and fireworks. Then we have smiles, happy, place, and parade in the silver outline. So these are awesome for helping you get those big, bold words on your titles without taking up too much of that visual space on your page. You can use vellum adhesive to adhere these down, or you can simply use like a tiny attacher too. We also have more words in the puffy word stickers. So these are nice and colorful. They coordinate perfectly with the Magical Memories Volume 2 collection. And you have happiest, place, magic found here, merch, which I love. I had to have merch. Rope drop, which is another one that I had to have in here. Superhero for all my Marvel fans. Hooray, oh boy. Cute ears, right? We had to have the cute ears. And then you have me, and then you have some sparkles and an ampersand. So I hope you guys love the brand new Title Builder Volume 6 Simply Magic products as much as I do. I'm so excited about them and I can't wait to hear what you think. Okay, next we're going to move on to the Magical Memories Volume 2 collection products. And I'm starting with the 3x4-inch journaling tags, this being my favorite one because I love that teal and the castle. Top 5 eats, the star with the sparkles, the yellow card with the seals on it. There's this one with the fun tickets, and this is my favorite color combination ever. I love this bold stripe. Details of our trip. This is so great. It just reminds me of It's a Small World, and you'll see this later in another product, which I'm really excited about. Top 5 rides, a sparkle card, a few of our favorite things, and then a 1, 2, 3 card, which I love. So cute. Okay, next up we have the 4x6-inch journaling tags, and this is fun because you get the same journaling tag details from our magical day in the entire pack, and you get 10 of these. So you can use them for each of the days that you're there on your trip. So you can use this as, you know, the pocket that starts out the day that you're recording. So I really love that. And it can add some consistency to your project. Then we have 2 different types of die cuts. Wait till you see all of the amazing die cuts included here, you guys. So these are the Magical Memories die cuts. Let me make sure that heart doesn't get stuck. Right, so we have, just going to try to get some of these out for you. Hearts, stars, tabs, phrases, time for something sweet. I love that. Magic found here. So happy to be here. Loved this parade. Favorite ice cream treat. The best show. Popcorn buckets. Hearts, stars. This is my favorite because that's a must-have treat for me. A Dole Whip. Love it. Characters, rides, souvenirs, parades, fireworks, 100% fun. Dining with the characters. Oh, happy day. Smiles from ear to ear. Perfect for those of us who like to wear our ears around the park. And me, so you can stamp the mouse and me, or you can use some alphabet stickers to, you know, spell out a name. We have a castle, which I love because it has the teal on it. Bits and pieces collected from our trip. So I love these ticket die cuts. These are like my favorite. Balloons. There's more of these awesome tickets, and they have that pinked edge, which I love. There's little banners in colorful patterns. There's ride tickets. Does anybody remember when we used to get actual tickets for FastPass? Ride tickets. Then there's these frames, so you get 1, 2, 3 frames, and then a little die cut in the center as well. Top 3 favorites. Here's another frame set, so you get all of these frames, then you get that circle die cut in the center. Love this outer frame, fun and magic captured. And then we have more frames and more circle die cuts. This is a really cool frame because it has 3 openings in it, so you can put a series of 3 photos in there. Such a really cool die cut pack, and it's, of course, as Elle always does, it's filled to the brim. Now let's take a look at this vellum die cut pack. I'm going to be very careful getting these out because I don't want to smush any of them. So we have stars, balloons, hearts, lots of castles, really fun. We have silver seals. This says remember this magic moment, in different sizes. We have lots of different sized castles. So you have like a few options. We have balloons, and everything is in silver foil and black. So like a soft black and a silver foil. So you have these banners, you have seals in black, you have bows. We couldn't forget the bows, right? So another huge die cut pack, all black and silver, so your neutrals there, and just super duper fun. Love it. And you get so much included in there. Okay, let's move on to the stickers. These are the Magical Memories stickers. Look at all of those amazing stickers. So you have your icons, you have labels, you have words and phrases, you have things that you can use for titles. Like, look at that. Isn't that so fun? I love that banner. Then you have these little phrase stickers too, which I love. You also have the sparkles. I also love this first day at the park, last day at the park. Those are really, really cute. You have your red bow there. Just so many good things. And churros. That's a yes for me. Then we have another classic in the shop that coordinates perfectly, the label stickers, which I know so many of you just love, but these coordinate perfectly with the colors in this collection. We also have two of our favorite alphabets just colored for this collection release. We have the Black Parker alphabet cardstock stickers, and we have the Yellow Jane alphabet cardstock stickers. So the cool thing about these is that we use these fonts in everything we've designed, so that they will coordinate perfectly when you're using your titles, when you're using the stickers, when you're using all of the products, the fonts will match. Moving on to puffies, we have the Puffy Heart and Star stickers. So another classic from the shop, just recolored to coordinate with this collection. I just love these because you get that fun outline and the inside as well. It's like a 2-for-1. Then we have the Magical Memories Puffy stickers. The things I love about these are that fun banner, the puffy popcorn, and of course all of those colorful sparkles. The balloons are pretty cute too. Then we have the puffy circle stickers. Now you can use your imagination with these and figure out how to use the little circles on top of the big circle, but they have phrases on here like "we are here," "favorite ride," "special treat," "having a blast," "big smiles," "meet and greet," which I love. So this is a really great set to have. We also have a brand new paper stack for this release. We had to, right? So many great patterns. Look at this black with the colorful sparkles. The tickets, which I love. That colorway just gets me every time. The wonky circles, like hand-drawn circles in red. That beautiful bold stripe. Yellow stars, I think I need an entire paper stack of just this one pattern. There is that awesome pattern again in gray, so a nice neutral. This is really fun. You can actually take this on your trip and have the signatures filled out by your favorite characters, and then you can just pop this into an album. So easy peasy. You can even put a little photo on the side. That would be really fun to do with kiddos. A really nice teal diagonal stripe. Words and phrases. So on here you'll see "let's go again," "smiles from ear to ear," "memories on Main Street," which I love, "magic found here," "eating with the characters," "worth the wait." Fun things. A pink grid this time. I love a grid. This one's a great cut apart, you guys. So you can use this for borders. Down here you'll find your borders, squares, you have more borders, or you could tear those like washi. You have labels. It's just a really great cut apart sheet. Then we have a beautiful stripe with all of the colors from the collection. Black and white hearts. These photo strips, which how cool are those to have those on hand to like pop some photos into. And last but not least, castles in teal. So another great paper stack in the shop. So excited about this one and its possibilities. The last thing I have to show you are the stamps and dies. So my tab friends, Magical Memories has a tab stamp now. I just love the sparkles on the tabs. These coordinate with our metal dies already in the shop. You have words and phrases like Main Street, need that. Churros, yes please, love this fireworks show. Souvenirs, made it to rope drop. That is a must for me. I don't know about you guys. A truly magical day, balloon fun, today's ears, because I wear a different set every day. Favorite eats, favorite park, fresh popcorn, just so many great things to put on your tabs. Then we have the Magical Memories Volume 2 stamp. So remember when I said we're going to have something for you here? Look at that. You can make your own fun patterns, so you can add a border to a page, you can put it on a card, just so many fun things you could do with that. A big castle and a small castle. You have sparkles, you have a seal. You can make your own mouse head. A churro. Yes, I am so excited about that. And I probably have about 40,000 churro pictures that I can document. Not that many, but quite a few. Popcorn. Oh, and you can color in the churro too. So you can stamp this and that separately to color in your churro. If you want to make your own ears, you can do that here with this and that and add a bow on top. Do a banner, there's more seals down here, or create your own Dole Whip. So excited about this set. It's so great. And if you love it, then you have to have the die that goes along with it that's going to cut out all of those cute stamped pieces. Really, really fun. Thank you so much for joining me today as I introduce you to Title Builder Volume 6, Simply Magic, and Magical Memories Volume 2. We are so super excited about these releases today, friends. I can't wait to hear what you think, and be sure to check out the link in my video notes to head to the shop to get whatever is on your must-have list today while supplies last. If you are a subscriber, we are opening bundling early so that you don't have to pay for shipping of any of these magical products that you're buying today. So be sure to log into your account to add them to your cart. If you're interested in signing up for an Elle Studio monthly kit subscription, you can find that link in my video notes. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with these brand new magical products.